This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how you make potato salad only way. Start by boiling 2 pounds of waxy potatoes until fork tender, then drain and cool completely. While potatoes cool, mix 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons mustard, 1 tablespoon vinegar, salt, and pepper to taste in a bowl. Chop 3 ribs of celery and 3 hard-boiled eggs, fold gently, and chill before serving for best flavor. Bring your dressing to life by seasoning in stages and tasting as you go for balance. Gently fold warm potato cubes into 1/3 of the dressing, then let the mixture cool and absorb flavors. Add the remaining dressing after cooling, reserving a bit to tweak salt or acidity. Finish with fresh herbs and chill at least 1 hour so flavors meld and the salad firms up nicely. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more home cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker helps set multiple timers, read recipes aloud, and play music while you prep, making it a small kitchen hero. I use it to time my potatoes and call out ingredient lists without dirtying my phone. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When serving, garnish with chopped chives or a dusting of paprika to add color and mild flavor. For variations, fold in chopped pickles, cooked bacon, or fresh dill depending on the flavor you want. Always refrigerate leftovers promptly and consume within 3 days for safety. If salad seems dry after chilling, stir in a splash of milk or reserved dressing to restore creaminess before plating and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.